What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you all are having a great start to the week. My GT500 has not come in yet. It was supposed to come in yesterday, but we did have a slight snowstorm and it did get delayed a little bit. So it should be coming in today. Cannot wait because you guys remember I did buy two of them. One of them so I can open, take some really good pictures, and yeah, just enjoy it. So with that, guys, if you're new to the channel, I definitely appreciate you clicking on this episode. Hopefully you enjoy it. We do have some goodies to showcase, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, guys. We got to the new 60-year set, and we have some beauties. Check this out. The first one is actually number 4 of 5. It is the 2018 Mustang RTR Spec 5 in this beautiful gray metallic with the orange accents. This thing is so clean. And you know what I really like about the Silver Series is it does come with their own style wheel. Now, the funny thing is, now it says Silver Series under the flame. It never used to say that before. I'm not going to take the credit, even though I've always called it the Silver Series without it being called the Silver Series. So maybe Mustang Hunter is the reason why it says Silver Series. I don't know, but that would be super cool, right? Like, comment down below if that would be so cool if someone over at Mattel was watching this was like, hey, why don't we just call it the Silver Series? And now that's what it's called. But anyways, let's jump back into it. I mean, this thing is so clean. You got front and rear tampos. You have the RTR Spec 5 on the license plate. Just a very, very good looking casting. I mean, they did a really good job. The card art is spot on. I mean, it's given a little Forza theme going on here. So 4 of 5 cars out of the series, and we did get them all. Next one is number 3 of 5. We have the 1971 Mach 1 in this really cool, almost like a lime green or grabber green. You can't really see it on a camera. It's pretty pale, but it's supposed to be more lime like how the card art is. It's just a little shade off. Other than that, guys, you got the cast 5 wheels, which is pretty much like the Fuchs style, but they are C5s. Got some really nice taillight details, which I think the scale's a little off, but it still looks good. I mean, you got front and rear really good on these Silver Series premiums or mid-level premiums. But yeah, really good to see the long hood 71s out of this series. So that is number 3. And then jumping into number 2, guys, the 69 Boss 302 in red. God, I'm glad they did red on this one. You got these really sweet looking 5 spokes on here. Black hood, of course, signature to the Boss 302. Really clean. This is plastic base. I think the other 2 are plastic as well. No, this one is actually a metal base, and this one is plastic. So the RTR is metal since it was in a premium release before out of the 2-pack. Yeah, the transport as well. The Spec 5 was a premium, so you got the metal base on that one as well as these. If it came as a premium, 99% of the time the Silver Series is going to have a metal base. Even though they did have a full metal on metal version of this one, they did a plastic base. So this one is number 2. Number 5 is, of course, my favorite one of all of them. You guys know I love the 65 2+2, and it is in a gorgeous blue metallic with the white stripe. Check that out. Really nice. These things are so freaking good looking. And there is a metal base version of this one in the series. Most of the time you're going to find the plastic base. The plastic one does have the speed loop logo right behind the transmission, where the metal one doesn't. It is a full metal on metal, which would have been similar to the one like this one right here. So this casting has the metal. That is what the base would look like. So I don't know why there are 2 different base variations. Even the metal one has a darker blue. Some people thought it was a chase. I don't think that is the case because there's no chase for this set. But if you find the metal base, definitely hold on to it. The plastic one is the common one. That's the right base on it. So if you find the metal one, keep it. There's number 5. And then, of course, number 1 of the 5 cars is the 84 SVO in white. This is probably the best looking SVO they've ever released, in my opinion. You got the taillights on point. You got the badges Really clean wheels on here. The red stripe, maroon interior. This thing is gorgeous. Super, super nice looking. And yeah, if you compare it to all the other SVOs, there's plenty that I don't have. But for the ones I do have, I mean, you got the purple, which was a really nice one for last year, maybe 2 years ago. The silver, the black. You had some really nice ones, even down to the blue red line. That one was clean as well, but nothing has looked as fresh as this one. So it's pretty fitting that this is number one because it is a really nice, fully done SVO. But you guys already know number 5 of 5, the 65, is my favorite one. Super stoked to grab this one. Big thanks to 2 of my buddies, or actually 3 of my buddies. We kind of pieced this together out of our 2 Walmarts. One buddy found all of these, but there was this one missing. Then my other buddy found this one and left these, so I was able to get a solid set. That is what we grabbed, guys. I'm so glad I was able to catch up. A lot of people were finding the 60-year Mustang set, and I was like, man, I gotta find these. And then we had a drop. Then someone came and took them all. I missed the drop, and yeah, I was kind of bummed about it. So aside from this awesome set, it is that time yet again. We have a mail call. Now, this box is from Sgt Mufasa. He did say it was a Christmas gift, kind of an RAOK package. And I know there's some Mustangs in there that he sent me a picture of, or at least 1 or 2. And I can't wait to open this up, guys. So there's only one way to find out, and it's to open it up and see what's inside. All right, so he had it taped up like crazy, which I definitely appreciate the packaging. But let's go ahead. Oh, check it out. We have another one. Nice. Check this out, guys. Another old school pullback. It is the Turbo Mustang, or maybe the SVO. This is a 1/38 scale. We do have one of these in the collection. It is sitting right over there. So we're going to see if this is some type of variation. That is so cool. I've never seen another one before. Let's see. They are the exact same. That is cool. Now we have 2 of these. Wow. That is cool that you found another one, man. Look at that. That is so cool, man. Thank you so much. And it's in really good shape. All right, let's see. First carded one. Uh-oh, Johnny Lightning. Oh, yeah. That is clean. Here we go. 76 Mustang 2 Cobra, which we actually do have in the collection already. It is sitting up top. That is cool. So we have number 2 for the collection. Of course, this thing is so freaking wicked, man. Look at that big blown motor. Number 48. You got some white steelies on there. I would totally drive this. But it is white on white, which that is very interesting because I don't think this is a white Lightning, because my other one is also white on white with the white interior. You guys let me know down in the comments. Is that a white Lightning? Because the card art even shows a black interior with chrome wheels. I don't know. Now it's got me thinking. But either way, if it is or isn't, it is an awesome tooling. You have Where Are My Shades Metallic Yellow. That is funny. Never noticed the name of that one. So number 2 for the collection. Nice. All right, let's see. Oh, we got some boxes in here. Ooh, check this out. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, wait, there's a whole top to it, so I can't pull it out first. All right, here we go. Next up is, oh yeah, there we go. He did send me a picture of this, a 2009 Mustang GT, and it is an ornament from Hallmark. How cool is that? Oh yeah, this is the 2009 because of the glass top. That was only offered in 2009, which was the full glass top for it. Yeah, that is cool. And it is the 45th anniversary, which is a super sweet one. You got tan interior. That is sweet, man. Yeah, let's go ahead and see what this thing looks like. Oh yeah, that is awesome. Holy crap, that is nice. Look at that. Wow, that looks so good. And that glass top. Man, I wish Mustangs did not go away from the glass top. That is just a cool look, man. And check it out. I mean, the wheels actually roll. This isn't a fully molded casting. This is a legit. You can even unscrew it if you want. Dude, that is awesome. This is, I don't know, man. I might just keep this out in the display. That is sweet looking. Man, I'm glad I opened this. Wow, that looks amazing. All right, let's see. Next one. Oh, we have another ornament. Oh, yeah. My man, 68 Fastback, dude. Check that out. Oh, yeah, that is awesome, dude. The car's mighty 390 cubic inch Thunderbird Special V8 engine boasted an impressive 335. That is really good for that time. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, man. Oh, if that does not scream bullet, I don't know what else does. Beautiful green, man. God, that is nice. This is a 2011 holiday ornament, so this is pretty old too. Oh, look at that. You got a little Christmas gift in the back. That is cool. Ah, that is so awesome, man. Got the nice C stripe on there like all 68s basically did. Well, most 68s had the C stripe like that. Wow, they did a really good job on these. They did a better job than most other off-brand. So Hallmark definitely makes some really good stuff. Yeah, that is sweet, dude. All right, I think we can pull this one out. This is an old majorette, guys. Check this out. I have never seen anything like this. Wow, Majorette's Legends. This is a 2400 series action moving parts. Look at that, man. Holy crap, this was from Kmart. Look at the cars they had. You had a 57 Chevy, 56 Thunderbird, Stingray Corvette, 65 Mustang, 57 Cabriolet. Nice. Holy crap, that is so cool, man. And the fact that you have the box, that is even cooler. Thank you so much for putting the packing peanuts in there. Keeping this car super fresh. Look at that, man. Oh, that is so freaking wicked. Oh, it's a Shelby too, GT350. Nice, so the stripes are completely missing on this side. Whoa, 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 man, I almost dropped this thing. Oh, whew, that was a close one. But yeah, GT350. Wow, that is cool, man. That is awesome. Dude, this is probably the most unique majorette I have. We have some old ones in the collection. We got these right here. We have a couple other old majorettes. We have this one. But when it comes to like a large scale like that, this is definitely the first for the collection. Dude, thank you so much, man. Now I debate, like, do I keep it in the box or keep it open displayed? I don't know. I think the box just gives it some character. What do you guys think? Comment down below if I should display it in the box or out. All right, let's see. I think earlier I saw some loosies. Oh yeah, here we go. Before we get to the loose ones, we got this one on card, guys. Check this out. The Diablo Sport 1970 Mustang. Man, that is freaking awesome. So this is out of the Auto Drivers. I do have this one. He had asked if I needed it, and I was like, oh yeah, I do have it loose. I put it in a Camaro box, which is totally blasphemy. But yeah, now we have it on the original card, original package. There we go. Nice, man. Look at that. Diablo Sport, dude. That's what Ruby is tuned with, the Diablo Sport Predator tuner, and it was also dyno tuned. So Diablo is definitely something I was like, oh man, if it's on card, I definitely want that. This is so cool, man. Old school M2, man. And when I mean old school, this is probably like 2015, somewhere around there. Let's go ahead and see when this was released. Yeah, 2017, 2018. So not old, but definitely something you're not going to see in stores anymore. We are adding some awesome Mustangs into the collection. We got these right here. We got the new 60-year anniversary for the Silver Series. That is super cool. Then the last, looks like two of them. We have a baby blue 65. Look at that blistering in the paint, man. This thing has definitely lived its life somewhere doing some fun stuff. You got the white walls on here. And I think I have this one. Look at that. It even has, looks like someone painted it. I don't know, or is it sun faded? That is interesting, but we do have them in the collection. Don't know if this is the same one because this is a super baby blue when you compare it. Maybe it's not. I thought it was those. And I don't have any other old baby blue. We have this one. Maybe it is this one. No, because even that's still more baby blue than this. This has still a green kind of hue to it. So it's not this one. I don't know. That's literally the oldest one I have for the 65s. And this is a baby blue. I don't know. You guys let me know down in the comments if there is a true baby blue like this, because I have never seen it. I thought I had one in the collection, but apparently I do not. So this would be the first. I don't know. You guys let me know down in the comments. I am stumped on that one. And then the last one, it looks like, maybe last one. Yep, last one is this one right here. Check this out. Another old school pony. Got the Pinto Mustang. And I can't remember if this was Majorette. He sent me a picture of it on card. But yeah, you guys know I love the old stuff like this, especially the oddball vintage. I can try to polish this up because it's a little scuffed or leave it with character. But overall, it is in really good shape. Just got to dust it off a little bit. I feel like I have one similar to this. Maybe I don't. Maybe I'm thinking of another older tooling that I have in the collection. But if I do, it's in one of my multi-packs that I created. But either way, another great addition for the Mustang collection. That is sweet. And that is the box from Sgt Mufasa. So here we go, guys. Awesome, awesome mail call from Sgt Mufasa. We got the 1976 Mustang. We have the Diablo Sport 1970. 2 holiday ornaments. We got an old school Fox body, Majorette. We got an old Pinto and a 65 in baby blue. And like I said earlier, guys, let me know in the comments what year or what release was the baby blue one. Not the baby bluish green, but the true baby blue. You guys let me know down in the comments. And then, of course, finishing off with the 60 year from Hot Wheels. Beautiful set. And like I said, keep your eyes out for the metal on metal version of the 65. It is out there. A couple people have shown pictures and some have found them. I just don't know why. So, like I said, this one has the plastic base. This is the correct base. Metal one isn't. This is a metal base and the others are plastic. That is all we have for this episode, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. And of course, comment down below your thoughts on anything we showcased in today's episode. And if you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all of our future episodes. So with that, guys, until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.